In this video, we're going to walk through all the steps that you need to take to properly change your LLC address. You may think it's very easy to do this, but actually there are a lot of steps that you're going to need to take in order to avoid any trouble in the future. And when you change your LLC address, you're going to need to notify a lot of government agencies as well as your bank and other people you do business with. And let's first start with all the government agencies that you're going to need to reach out. The first government agency is the Secretary of State, and you're going to need to update your address with them. And what you'll need to do here with the Secretary of State is fill out an Articles of Amendment form, as well as pay the associated filing fees. The next thing you're going to need to do is amend your beneficial ownership information report with FinCEN. And when you change your business address, you must do so within 30 days of that change. And if not, you could be faced with $10,000 in fines. So it's really important that you do this. The next government agency is reaching out to the IRS. And if you have an EIN number, you're going to need to change your address for that EIN number. And what you can do here is you can fill out Form 8822-B. And once you do that, you should be in good standing with the IRS. The next government agency that you're going to need to reach out to are business license issuers. And in most cases, these will be local authorities who are responsible for issuing business licenses and DBAs. And if you use your LLC for professional purposes, you're going to need to reach out to professional licensing agencies of your LLC address change. And this applies to doctors, lawyers, accountants, as well as other professionals. You'll also need to reach out to the Department of Taxation, because they're the ones who issue sales tax licenses and sales tax permits. You'll also need to notify the U.S. Postal Service, as well as other carriers that you may use. And this is especially true if you have a P.O. box that receives lots of mail. And lastly, you may need to reach out to other government agencies. This is especially true if you have copyrights, patents, trademarks, as well as any other intellectual property. You'll also need to reach out to other businesses that you do business with. And the first person you're going to need to reach out to is your bank or your credit union. And on top of this, you're also going to need to reach out to your registered agent service. And this is important because if your business is served with process, that registered agent is going to need to know where you are. And because of this, they need to know the correct address that you're using for your business. And obviously, you're also going to need to notify Google, because the last thing you want to do is to give the wrong address when people Google your business. And on top of this, this could also hurt your SEO rankings as well. Another business you need to notify is your insurance agencies if you carry insurance for your business. And last but not least, you're going to need to tell your clients that you changed your LLC address. And what you'll need to do here is reach out to customers, clients, vendors, or anyone else you do business with that you changed your LLC address. So changing your LLC address may sound easy, but at the end of the day, you're going to need to reach out to a lot of people to properly tell them that your business address has changed. And if you don't, it could cause you and your business a lot of trouble and a lot of confusion. I also have a new book called The 5 Tricks to Teach Your Kids About Money. You can download the book for free by clicking the link in the description below. If you're looking to start a business, you can schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us at Corporate Direct by also clicking the link in the description below. And as always, please make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on that notification bell. And I should warn you, the contents of this video are not legal advice and no attorney-client relationship has been formed.